The i11 TWS offers similar unboxing experience as the i9 TWS, but is it better than the i9 TWS? I've already done a full comprehensive review and unboxing of this i9 TWS. I'll just give a summary of what's inside. So of course you have the AirPod, the case, there's a charging cable, a carabiner, and as well as a instruction manual. And the content inside is really excessive for especially a clone. Let's get straight into the i11 TWS and clear away the i9. So here's the i11s. It's come in a blue color box. Unboxing was really smooth till there's almost no momentum being built up. You'll see is the i11 TWS wrapped in blue color plastic. Also in the box, let's just clear that away first. You get a lightning cable, yes, a short lightning cable, a matte white silicone case. It feels a bit cheap, but I'm not gonna complain here. And we also got this thing to hook up your AirPods so it will not drop, but it's useless. I mean, I'm not gonna wear this. And lastly, we also have our instruction manual. The unboxing experience was also great, like the i9 TWS. After taking off the blue seal, which was a really satisfying peel at least, you can tell that the i11 TWS has quite some few differences with the actual AirPods. First thing is the dot, the LED lighting is not on the i11 TWS. Let's just get rid of all the accessories first. If you flip both over to the back, you realize that the i11 TWS doesn't have the design by Apple in California made in China engraving, while the real one has, of course. And it just doesn't feel as premium. The hinge is not premium at all. You can feel that the i11's hinge, it feels really not secure, while the genuine one also gives a nice snap. And if you compare each individual earbud, you can tell that there's TWS on the i11, while of course Apple one does not have. Other than that, there's also one small tiny dot, otherwise it will look completely the same. The weight of the i11 is also far lighter than the actual AirPod. So it's time to take out my weighing scale and weigh them both. The earbuds of the i11 weighs about 6 grams, while the individual earbuds of the actual AirPods weigh about 6.6 grams. So there's not much about a difference in this, but the difference really comes to with the charging case on it. So with the charging case, the i11 weighs about 29.4 grams, which is really feather lightweight if you're gonna take the actual AirPods and weigh. The actual AirPods weigh between about 47.7 to 48 grams, so it's about 10 grams different. The pairing process took a while. After taking the buds out of the case, it took about 5 seconds before the TWS lights activated, and then I can just click connect and wait for another 10 seconds before it's finally connected. After connection, I found something very weird in the Bluetooth settings. You tap on it, you can change the name. You can change it to whatever you want, supposedly. But then once you move back, it's i12 again. And try it again, let's say a different name. And then you go back, it's the same thing, it's still i12. And this is i11, so where does i12 come out? Lastly is the audio test. I'll be playing some music from NCS again. Here we go. At max volume, this is considered quite soft. And the last thing I want to complain about, which is a big major problem, if you go back to the audio, you can realize that sometimes there's some occasional pauses for like a millisecond. Well, it doesn't sound much, but if you are actually listening to it, you can actually feel the difference, you can hear the difference. I mean, I'm not very sure whether it's my phone's connection problem, but I just have to say this audio isn't pretty, and especially with these stops. That's the review. The i11 is overall a good unboxing headset, but its audio quality isn't really there. With that being said, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one.